Welcome guys, my name is Pranshi Parma. In today's session, we are going to discuss top 40 MCQs on a spreadsheet package. Okay guys, spreadsheet package is a very important topic in your all competitive examination, CS and IT fields. Okay guys, they are a very important question for your upcoming examination 2021. Okay, now let's begin the session. In this, your first question is, in a spreadsheet, letters are used to represent blank space. Here, your correct answer is option A cells, option B rows, option C columns, option D blocks. Okay, here your correct answer is option C columns. In any spreadsheet, the letters are used to represent columns. Okay, the numbers are used to represent rows and letters are used to represent columns. Next question, cells are identified a combination of letters and numbers in a spreadsheet. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Okay, a combination of the row number and column letter gives us the cell address. Okay, and as you know, with the help of above question, in a spreadsheet, letters are used to represent the columns and numbers are used to represent rows. Okay, and cells are identify a combination of letters and numbers. Okay, next question, a numeric data analysis tool that allows us to create a computerized ledger. Option A word processing package, option B spreadsheet package, option C graphics package, and option D mathematical package. Here your correct answer is option A word processing package. Okay, a spreadsheet package is the numeric data analysis tool. It's useful for any numerical analysis problem whose data can be organized as row and as columns. Okay, next question, which of the following isn't a part of a spreadsheet? Option A row number, option B column number, option C column letter, option D cell address. Here your correct answer is option B column number. Okay, the answer is column number because there are no column address in a spreadsheet. Columns are represented using letters. Okay, I hope all the things are clear to you. Next question, spreadsheets can't option A do calculation, option B create graphics, option C plot graphs, option D plot charts. Here your correct answer is option B create graphics. Okay, a spreadsheet can't create graphics because spreadsheets are not meant to create graphics. They can do all sorts of calculations, plot charts, graphs, etc. Okay. Next question, blank space helps us to see patterns. Option A spreadsheets, option B calculations, option C charts, option D graphs. Here your correct answer is option C charts. Charts help us to see patterns. Okay, charts in spreadsheet give us a picture of our data. It can help us to see pattern as well. Okay, next question, an easier way to set up complicated calculations is option A decimals, option B fractions, option C booleans, option D functions. Correct answer here is option D functions. An easier way to set up complicated calculation is functions. Functions make it easier to set up complicated calculations and various formulas can also be used for easier way to set up complicated calculations. Okay. Next question, the cell that is in use, option A highlighted cell, option B main cell, option C active cell, option D formula cell. Correct answer is option C active cell. The cell that is in use is called active cell. Okay, because the address of the active cell is shown in the formula bar. Next question, the placement of information within a cell at the left edge, right edge or centered is option A indentation, option B placement, option C identification, option D alignment. Here your correct answer is option D alignment. Okay, the left, right and center positioning is defined by the alignment. Okay, next question, a change in the appearance of a value or label in a cell is called option B format. Okay, जैसे जनरली हम बोलते हैं कि फॉर्मेटिंग गलत है, फॉर्मेटिंग ठीक कीजिए, इस टाइप से, तो वहां पर क्या होता है, A change in the appearance of a value or label in a cell is called formatting. Formatting is the term used whenever there are changes in the appearance of a value or label. Next question. The files that are created with spreadsheet software are called option A package, option B program, option C worksheet, option D spreadsheet. Here correct answer is option C worksheet. The files that are created with spreadsheet software are called worksheets. Okay. Next question. Which is used to calculate and analyze a set of numbers? Here your correct answer is option C spreadsheet. Okay. Spreadsheet used to calculate and analyze a set of numbers. Next question. A spreadsheet sometimes is called as option A cells, option B worksheet, option C menus, option D notebook pages. Correct answer is option B worksheet, because in spreadsheet software you create different kinds of worksheet. Okay. Next question. Which bars have shortcut icons for frequently done tasks in spreadsheet? Option A main toolbar, option B object bar, option C formula bar, option D menu bar. Correct answer is option B object bar. Object bar have shortcut icons for frequently done tasks in the spreadsheet. Next question. The spreadsheet VisiCalc contains. What is VisiCalc? VisiCalc stands for Visual Calculator in spreadsheet. Okay. And it contains 63 columns and 254 rows. Okay. So here the spreadsheet VisiCalc contains 63 columns and 254 rows respectively. Next question. Which is used to print the worksheet with grid lines? Option A grid checkbox, option B checkbox, option C text box, option D dialog box. Correct answer is option A grid checkbox. Grid checkbox is used to print the worksheet with grid lines. Okay. Next question. Which shortcut icon is used to select and insert functions? Option C is correct here, function wizard. Okay. Function wizard shortcut icon is used to select and insert functions in a spreadsheet. Next question. Star Office Calc has a variety of option A buttons, option B functions, option C formulas, option D options. Correct answer here is option B functions. Star Office Calc has a variety of functions. It's included different kinds of lots of functions. Okay. Next question. Cells are addressed in terms of option A row and column labels. Okay. Next question. Which of the following data can be typed into a spreadsheet cell? Option A formula, option B text, option C numbers, option D all of these. Correct answer is option D all of these. Okay. Different kinds of data typed into a spreadsheet cell, maybe formula, maybe text, maybe numbers. Next question. Which bar is used to display options? Option A menu, option B function, option C formula, option D status. Correct answer is option A menu. Menu bar is used to display options. Different kinds of options. Okay. Next question. The intersection of rows and columns creates option A cells, option B worksheets, option C spreadsheets, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A cells. The intersection of rows and columns create cells. Okay. Because a cell contains rows and columns. Okay. Next question. Worksheet data can be viewed in forms of option A charts, option B graphs, option D charts or graphs, option D data. Correct answer here is option C charts or graphs. Okay. Worksheet data can be viewed in forms of maybe in charts, maybe in graphs. Okay, it's up to you according to user. Next question. By pressing blank space key and type in the range you want, the suggested range will be accepted. Option A is correct here, backspace. By pressing backspace key and type in the range you want, the suggested range will be accepted. Okay. Next question. Address of first cell in the worksheet is option C, A1. Okay, in the spreadsheet, address of first cell is A1. Okay. Next question. Any device that performs a signal conversion is called option C, modulator. Okay. Next question. How many characters are there in a cell? So maximum numbers of characters in a cell is 255. Okay. Next question. A grid of cells with a programmable calculator attached to each cell is a option A data sheet, option B spreadsheet, option C visible calculator, option D computer. Correct answer here is option B spreadsheet. A grid of cells with a programmable calculator attached to each cell is a spreadsheet. Next question. Which icon is used to change the font color in a Star Office Calc? Here, option A, Justify, option B, Bold, option C, Font Color, option D, Change Font. Correct answer is option C, Font Color. Font color is used to change the font color in a Star Office Calc, means Star Office Calculator. Okay. Next question. Which identifies each cell? Option A, location address, option B, cell address, option C, row address, option D, pointer. Correct answer is option B, cell address. Okay, cell address identifies each cell in your worksheet, in your spreadsheet. Okay, next question. Spreadsheet refers to option A software package. Spreadsheet refers to a software package. Okay, next question. For selecting a function, you have to go to blank space menu. Option A, file, option B, insert, option C, copy, option D, replace. Correct answer here is option B, insert. For selecting a function, you have to go to insert menu. Okay. Next question. Blank space is the most popular spreadsheet program. Option A, MS Excel, option B, DBase means database, option C, Lotus 123, option D, Star Office Calc. Correct answer here is option C, Lotus 123 is the most popular spreadsheet program. Okay. Next question, blank space addressing is the default type of cell address used in the Star Calc. Option A, data cell, option B, function cell, option C, relative cell, option D, absolute cell. Correct answer is option C, relative cell. Okay. Relative cell addressing is the default type of cell address used in the Star calculator. Okay. Next question. Which option is used to save the worksheet created? Option A, save, option B, save as, option C, save or save as, option D, file. Correct answer here is option C, save or save as. Okay. Save or save as option is used to save the worksheet created. Okay. And generally we used the save and save as options in any software for save the file. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a formula and can't be entered in a cell? Option A, A1 minus A2 is correct here. Okay. And at the other hand, plus A1 plus A2 is the valid formula. Option C is also valid. This is plus A1 multiplied by 100. And option D is also valid. This is minus B1 multiplication by B2. But A1 minus A2 is not valid. Okay. So A1 minus A2 is not a formula and cannot be entered in a cell in a spreadsheet software. Okay. So correct answer here is option A, A1 minus A2. Next question. The control panel displays an option A, windows into the spreadsheet, option B, entry line, option C, status and help area, option D, both A and C. Correct answer here is option C, status and help area. The control panel display a status and a help area. Okay. Next question. The easiest way to modify slightly a cell that contains a long label is to option A, use an erase command to erase the cell and start over. Option B, retype the correct entry. Option C, use the edit command to edit the cell. Option D, none of these. Correct answer here is option C, use an edit command to edit the cell. Okay. The easiest way to modify slightly a cell that contains a long label is to use an edit command to edit the particular cell. Okay. Next question. To keep a portion of the worksheet fixed in place regardless of how the rest of the worksheet is moved, used what command? Option A, protect command. Option B, window command. Option C, fix command. Option D, title command. Correct answer here is option D, title command. Okay. To keep a portion of the worksheet fixed in place regardless of how the rest of the worksheet is moved, use title command. Next question. Column oriented recalculation will evaluate a formula in cell C3 before evaluating a formula in option A, cell A2, option B, cell B5, option C, cell E3, option D, both A and C. Correct answer here is option C, cell E3. Column orientation recalculation will evaluate a formula in cell C3 before evaluating a formula in cell E3. Okay, correct answer here is option C, cell E3. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Okay guys, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.